not that bad, but you gotta be careful not stepping any thorny things.
Don't worry, I just hit one.
Oh, okay. Is that right there?
Thank you.
Over here.
The hell is that?
The Grand Canyon.
Apparently. Woo! Look at that drop.
Yeah.
Was there a lake here?
Yeah, it used to be filled up right here. Follow me.
Alright.
Oh, fuck. Watch for that bush right there.
Crikey! Ow, fuck.
Like I said, watch your step right here. I'm actually falling off this right here.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I thought I broke my arm, but I only cracked it.
You must have been drunk.
Huh?
Said you were probably drunk.
How do you know? No, it really wasn't. I just missed my step.
Whee! That was steep.
Yeah. No, where we end up at, completely retarded.
Huh?
Where we end up at, it should be completely retarded. You understand
What
why?
the heck?
Yeah. You understand now why you wear boots?
Yeah, I think I got you. Boots! Booty, 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 booty.
Okay, which direction? Which way you want to go?
You're telling me we can go down there?
Yes. Which way do you want to go?
Which way should we go? Let's go this way.
Okay. We'll go that way next time.
Alright, we're back. Where are we?
Somewhere behind the park. And park we're not supposed to be at really, but
Oh shit.
there's no gates, so we can't trouble. Okay, when I get up here, hand me your camera.
Alright.
Okay. You got it? Yeah, I got it. Just don't fall in. Yeah. Well, your radio's on, yes, so I'm concerned about. Okay, here you go.
Well, that was fun.
I don't think you can go the other way. You'll try it a little bit, but the other way has more water in it.
Yeah.
Like, even if it's dry.
It rained yesterday, so
Yeah.
it's probably flooded.
Well, we'll go out here and see. But we're going
Leaves.
To a statue. Not a statue, a painting.
What?
We're going to a painting that's been here since I moved here.
Painting?
Yeah.
What
Her name is
painting?
Chrissy.
Huh?
Her name is Chrissy.
Chrissy?
Yeah.
Okay. Bueno.
Okay, right there.
Damn, I need to quit smoking.
You tired already?
Huh?
You tired already?
I'm not tired, I'm just out of breath. Oh shit.
It's a lot greener.
Right. Haven't seen this much green since we went to A&M.
The only thing I'm glad right now is not happening. We're not going to get ate up.
Huh?
See the mosquitoes back here?
That's true.
It's not that bad. You know what's weird though?
Hmm.
Where are my rocks?
Huh?
Where are my rocks? I remember. They're right here.
Who knows, maybe the city committee just kind of wanted to bring a shit ton of rocks back here. Huh, who drew that?
It's been here since I moved here.
When'd you move here?
2005.
Tell me this thing's been up here for 8 years.
Yeah.
Someone put a swastika on her forehead.
Swastika's new.
Oh.
So.
It says Jubunin?
I don't know. Someone did.
Booney? I think it's 2 eyes.
I don't know.
Jill Booney?
But this is what I want to show you.
It's pretty.
It's awesome. It's been here forever. Besides the swastika, no one's like painted over it or done anything to ruin it.
Yeah. That's real neat. I wonder who painted that.
I'm asking the same thing.
Swastika!
Well, someone trying. I put it on Facebook.
Cock.
Huh?
Cock right there.
Well, it's not.
Probably the same guy who did the swastika.
Probably.
Jake, pull up your pants.
Better?
Yeah.
You like the view?
Huh?
You like my view?
Alright.
Can you guess where we are?
Huh?
Can you guess where we are?
Nope. Some kind of nature hike or something?
Yeah, nature.
Yeah.
I mean, we can go way the hell over there.
Yeah, but your little girlfriend won't let you.
Well, this better not go on Facebook, that'll get me in trouble.
Yeah. If you don't mind getting wet. Puddle! Mine are water sealed, so.
Mine. But I don't trust the rocks.
Woo! Wet boots.
Yeah.
Oh, there we are. We can come out of here and act like we're cavemen, been stuck in there for like 10 years. Civilization.
Oh my god. Now maybe back the other way, it would be like,
Maybe someday we can do it again.
yeah. We're way over there now.
Oh, awesome.
So we can go back the same way we came back in, but.
Alright. Well, this concludes Nature Hike 101. And so, alright. Tomorrow, we're going to do Nature Hike number 2. And so, maybe, if Jake's girlfriend will let him, we can go a little bit farther this time and just have more fun with it. And hopefully Jake has his pants up. So, alright. Hit subscribe if you want to see more. And if you don't, we'll screw you too.
You know,
Alright.
You know, we were not like that. Just as they like, oh, we're gonna do this like that.
Right?